guys, here's what want to give you an update on the project that we're doing in this house that we just acquired. From the exterior, one of the things we're going to be doing is removing these old shutters. We're going to pressure clean the outside. My guys already started doing some of the landscaping. We removed all the shrubbery that was on this side so that we can still have a view. There's a canal there and you can't see it now because of all this vegetation, but we started doing that. So for the front, that's all we're doing. We're trimming the tree. This is a beautiful mango tree, especially when the mangoes are out. It's great. If you go ahead and focus towards the back, you'll see we already trimmed the bushes. So let's go inside. So in here, here's what we're doing on the inside. We're going to paint. We're going to add a nice, the bigger baseboards to add some accent colors to that. We already did or started, as you can see, painting the ceiling. We're going to be changing all the fans, putting new fans in here. In the back here, this section here we're going to eliminate, so we're going to square it off. Same thing with the bedrooms. We painted this. We're going to paint the ceiling, paint the bedrooms, add new fans. The bathroom itself, because we're on a tight budget, what we're going to do is just replace the vanity, replace the toilet. We're going to paint the bathtub, and we're going to paint this. Take out the paint. So we're going to try to replace the border with white tile. We're going to keep this tile, and that's what we're doing. That's all we're doing to the bathroom. The other thing that we're going to do, and we're changing the fixtures in the bathroom. For the floor, which is terrazzo floor, we're going to keep it. We're just going to polish the floor and make it look new. We're going to make this floor look really new. In the kitchen, again, here the same thing. We're adding new ceiling fans, new light fixtures there, new appliances. We're going to restain the butcher block, restain the drawers and the doors, add a backsplash to here. Let's go on the outside. All right, out here, same thing. We're going to remove this. We're going to pressure clean. Actually, we're pressure cleaning the entire house, but we're going to also pressure clean this, stain the pavers. As you can see, the guys already cleared a lot of the shrubbery back here because now you can actually see the lake that you couldn't see before, but we still need to cut all the trees on the other side of the fence so we can have a nice clear view. We're going to keep the palms, and then back here, we follow here. So we're going to add a nice wood deck that's going to extend, I believe, 6 feet off this border here. We're going to throw a concrete slab first, and then we're going to add a wood deck. Now the wood deck is going to be a little smaller than the one that I have in my lake house. If you're familiar with my other lake house, it's going to be smaller. But if you can take a look at the neighbor, see how the neighbor has that concrete platform? And then the water, we're going to have the same concrete platform, but then in addition to that, we're going to have a deck, a wood deck for that. And then back here, all these trees are going to be trimmed up. I think it's going to be 18 feet up. We're going to trim everything so you can have a clear view, but still have the canopy of the trees. And then we're going to clear out this path. Even though the property line only goes up to where that wood is, we're going to go further back and clear the whole thing out. And obviously I'm going to maintain it, but that's public land. But I want to clean it so that we can still have access to it. And we're the only one that really has access unless you come on a boat, because the lake's there and the canal is on this side. So that's what we're going to be doing here. Hope you like it. I'll keep you posted.